Hello, kindergartners, and welcome to a brand new day of math with Miss Ellen. I'm so excited to be here because I love math, and I know you do too. So let's go ahead and just get started. Today we're going to start by creating all of our teen numbers using a 10 group and adding some ones to it. We're going to be making every single teen number, and we're going to be making 20. So we know that behind every single teen number is a 1 and a 0. So behind every single teen number is a 10. Every single one of them is 10 group plus a few more ones. So we are going to be using our 10 group, like I said, and adding ones to it to make each number. Let's go ahead and start with this number right here. What number is this? 11. You're right. I'm going to pull over a 10 group. I don't have to count this 10 group because I know there's already 10 in that group, so I'm just going to keep counting on 10, 11. Perfect. Got it. Next one. Remember, 12 is a teen number, and every teen number starts with a 10. 10, 11, 12. Beautiful. Let's move on to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome. I'm having fun. Remember, every teen number starts with a 10. So for 14, I'm going to start with 10. Add on some ones. 11, 12, 13, and 14. I trust in my heart that you're counting along with me. Next, let's try 15. Start with that 10. Add some ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, let's do this next number. This is my second favorite number. What number is that? 16. You got it. Let's start with the 10. Add our ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. We're getting into those higher teen numbers, so we're doing a little bit more work, but you need to keep counting along with me. Let's start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great work. Next number, what's this one? Tricky. You got it. That's number 18. We start with the 10 and count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep growing that brain. 16, 17, and 18. Very good. Second to last one. Say this number loud and proud. It's a 19. We start with that 10 group every single time because every teen number has a 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oops, I ran out of ones. 16, 17, 18, not quite there, and 19. Alrighty, last one. Are you ready? It's the number 20. I know in my brain that 10 plus 1 equals 11 because there's a 10 group here, and I added one more. I know that 10 plus 2 equals 12 because I have 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13 because we have 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, here's a trick question for you. What makes 19? 10 plus what number? If 10 plus 1 makes 11, 10 plus 2 makes 12, 10 plus 3 makes 13. What does 10 plus equals 19? Did you say 9, Because if you did, you're right. 10 plus 9 equals 19. We have a 10 group and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So now I'm going to add one more to get to 20. So 10 plus, what's one more than 9? 10, very good. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Does that mean that I should pull over a 10 group and then 10 ones? No, that means I can pull over a 10 group, 10, and add 10 more. 10 plus 10 equals, whoops, hold on a second-rooney. My iPad's being cray-cray. 10 plus 10 equals 20. You got it. You can't really see it, but you know it's there. I'll leave it right here for us. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Good work, friends. Let's go ahead and try this next exercise. This one is pretty fun. We are going to match up the addition sticky note. Those are all on this side. And the teen number sticky note on this side. So go ahead. We'll start with the pink because pink is one of my favorite colors and it's Miss Ronigan's favorite color. And Miss Ronigan is one of my best friends. 5 plus 10. If we go back one, remember we were talking about 10 plus a number equals a teen number. So 5 plus 10 makes what teen number do you think? I can start by counting 10 and then adding 5 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome job. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Got her otter. Great job, kindergartners. I'm going to stack these on top of each other right there. Perfect. Let's try another one. Let's try, I know Mrs. Houseladden's favorite color is blue, so let's try the blue one just for Mrs. Houseladden. This one says 7 plus 10. Remember, every teen number starts with a 10. So I'm going to start counting at 10 and add on 7. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Awesome. There's my equal sign. Cool stuff. I'm going to try my next one. I'm going to pull these up because they're a match. All right, let's try 6 plus 10. If I know that 10 plus a number is going to make a teen number, I'm going to think in my brain 10 plus 6 equals, say it out loud. Did you say 16? Because you're right. 16, if you can see right here, has this 1. There's a sneaky 0 hidden behind this 6. But it's 10 plus 6 to make a 16. Good work. I'm going to move this one together too. All right, these last two might be a little tricky, but we can do it. Let's start with yellow because I like yellow. 1 plus 10. Let's see here. Well, I can start counting at 10. 10 plus 1, 10, 11. 10. 1 plus 10 equals 11. So then that means 2 plus 10 must equal 12. Let's double check that one. I know that every teen number has a 10 behind it, so there's a sneaky 1 and a sneaky 0 hidden behind that 2. So there's our 10, and if I erase our 0, there's the 2. Good work. Alrighty, friends, today for your math workbook page, it should be easy peasy lemon squeezy because we're doing exactly what we were just doing together, but we're using our workbook page to show our learning. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up a pencil and write my first and last name. Yes, you will. We all need our practice, practice, practice. There's my first and last name. Awesome stuff. Now I am going to pick my favorite color. Let's see. I feel like I really like blue today. And I am going to color the squares to show the number. Then complete the equation. So I'm going to pick my favorite colored crayon and I'm going to color in this many boxes. 13. So I know that one of these sticks is a 10 stick. So I know there's already a 10. And since this is a T number, I know there's a whole entire 10 in that T number. So I'm not even going to count these sticks. I know that there's 10 right here. So I'm going to color my 10 as nicely as I can. Kindergartners don't scribble. And then I'm going to count on to color in the rest of my boxes. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. I colored in 13 boxes just like it told me to. Next, I'm going to finish this equation. It says 13 equals blank plus blank. This first blank is going to be however many boxes you colored in on this side. I colored in 10 plus however many boxes you colored in on this side. 3. 13 equals 10 plus 3. Awesome. Now I think I'm going to pick a new color. I really like green. And I'm going to color in this number. What's this number? Tell me. 14. Great job. Remember, I know that this whole entire stick has 10, so I'm going to color in that whole entire stick 10. Because every teen number has a 10. 10. Now I'm going to take my time to color in more boxes until I get to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. Next, I'm going to do my equation. Remember, this first blank is how many I colored in on this side, and I know I colored in 10 because it's a whole 10 stick. Next, I'm going to write how many I colored in on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work. I want you to try these bottom ones, number 3 and number 4, all by yourself. Don't forget to color in your boxes and then do your equation in both of them for 15 and 16. When you're done with the front part of your page, you're going to flip it over to the back. And it tells you to find the unknown partner and draw squares to help you. So you're going to take a peek at this number up at the top. Oh, I should switch to my erasable pencil so that I don't have to be worried about making any mistakes. There we go. It says find the unknown partner, draw squares to help you. I'm going to be looking at this number right here and using that number to find the numbers that I need for my equation. So remember, there's a stick here. It's a 10 stick, so I know there's already 10. I'm going to add on cubes until I get to this number. What number is this? 17. Very good. So again, I'm going to use my erasable pencil only to count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. So now I have 17 boxes just like this number told me. I'm now going to complete the equation. 17 equals, how many boxes were there? Do you remember? 10. It's a 10 stick. Plus, how many boxes did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 equals 10 plus 7. Awesome. Let's try this next one together. We're trying to get to the number 18. Remember, when it comes in a stick like this, we know it's already 10. So we don't even need to count those. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Done. Next, you're going to do your equation. Do not forget to do your equation. I'm going to write how many sticks I drew on that side, which was 10. It's a 10 stick. And how many more did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 equals 10 plus 8. I want you to try to do the bottom two all by yourself. So remember, this stick has 10 in it. Count on until you get to this number. Don't forget to do your equation. Same for this one. There's 10 in your 10 stick. Count on to get to this number. And don't forget to do your equation. When you're all done, your check for understanding says to complete the teen equation for 11. Try your best to do your check for understanding all by yourself and then bring your page to your teacher to get checked. Or you can send it on Seesaw so your teacher can give you a sticker. And then you're ready to move on to the rest of Math Path. Great work today.